Number 1.
Ladies and gentlemen,
This is...
And now, ladies and gentlemen,
Breakfast with Kara and Aaron
I tell you, radio is a world that has to be believed to be seen.
starts now.
you know what that means?
Seems like I'm going down a one-way street in every direction. I need heaven. Show me just a little affection, love. 'Cause all of the stars, oh no, point towards bed for me. And I wish I could get a running start and sort of my victory. Fly with one wing, I can fly with one wing, and fly with one wing, I can fly with one wing, I can know. Seems like I'm running out of time. I got a whole lot of things on my mind, and I'm walking around in the dark, ooh, trying to find just a little bit of sunshine.